Day 2 of the CamaroFest, man. Day 3 for me, but day 2 for y'all to watch this, man. It's early in the morning, man. We got the cars packed out. I gotta wash the car because look, I got some fucked up ass mud clay on there. I can't be riding around like this. Driver's side clean. He's showing out in here till this car start. But yeah, we about to head out, go to the drag strip, and then no, we about to get something to eat, wash the car, then go to the drag strip. This is where the PPF come into play at right now. The PPF helped out because tire marks right there. Look at all that tire marks, all that stuff that been hitting all type of road grind from the track. Right there, all that paint protected right there. The back part here, look at all that. This is all wrapped, so this is gonna be easy. Usually if this on your paint, you gotta rub that off. That's gonna be hard, man, so it's worth it for all the impact areas if you're tracking the car. I'm at the entrance of Beach Bend Park, but I done ran across a few Camaro cars, and look, we about to get some videos going. So we gotta get this. Like, if you come here, you gotta take a picture in front of this amusement park behind me, man, because it shows that you've been here. It's like a landmark, I should call it. Over there, we got the barbecue going on over here. We got the frozen lemonade over there. There go Taz right there. We got Taz right there in the building.
Damn, you soaked.
Yeah, damn, bro. You need an extra t-shirt?
Bro, move that on my face.
I'm telling y'all how hot it is. There's no shade out in this joint. But we got like Rotofab. We got Rotofab out here. GPI is here. There's a whole bunch of other vendors. We're gonna check it out once I get out the car though. And then it's the drag strip over here to the left. So, we got a Rapid Blue. We got a Rapid Blue over here. SS, okay.
Oh, we seen him.
Yeah.
With the New York going on.
All right, y'all. So we got the Chevrolet dealerships here. They got the vendors, not the dealerships, man. Yeah, we got the vendors here, man. We gonna see do they got those 2 special colors for you guys. Do they got that new color?
They got the Rapid Blue DLE under there.
Oh, I'm talking about like that new color, like that shark skin silver and that But they got this nice 1LE though. They got the nice 1LE with look at those rotors. So this is the same rotors and calipers that come on that ZL1. This is the copper-free. This is the copper-free brake version. That's what it looked like if y'all want those big rotors. It's slightly smaller, it's slightly bigger than mine, but that's what you get if you want the copper-free version. Huh? We'll call up with these are other neighbors that own a Camaro at the Airbnb. This is one of the design packages right here for on the Rapid Blue. So if you guys interested in that LT1 or that B6 RS, you can get this package on there. I forgot what design package it is, but that's one design package. You got the red line edition. I think this is an LT1, but they switched the badge. I could be wrong though, but it is an RS. You got another one, you got the red line edition. You got an SS with the design package, and it look like they transferred the wheels over from the 50th edition. that's on here with the nice lime green calipers on there, or the shock yellow calipers. So that looks good. You got the nice ZL1 1LE in rapid blue. I don't ever see too many of these. I only know one person I know that has one of these. And then the vivid orange. You don't ever see this too often, man. So I like vivid orange, but I settled for rapid blue because I wasn't sure what it's gonna look like in person, but I like it though. It's still one of my favorites, like how it just sit in here. So looking between the two, like what would y'all pick? Like the rapid blue ZL1 1LE, or would y'all get in vivid orange? But
That's the 22.
it's still nice either way you go. You can't go wrong. I love the vivid orange because the metallic and the character of this color. Though when it's out in the sun, or like how it's sitting right here in the shade, and he's cleaned it up well. This gentleman has cleaned it up well, so you're getting it in this pristine finest. You can't get no better than him. And then you got the C8 here. So, hey Peter, is that a Z06 or that's just a Stingray? The 7th anniversary version of the.
No, just C8 Stingray.
Just a Stingray. Okay, look at that. So, look at that package there. 7th anniversary. That's pretty nice. Come with the nice wheels. They look like HRE wheels. A little bit. Okay, GM doing good off the factory.
Okay, how do you open it?
So that's pretty nice. So that's here. Not looking at it, I'm kind of disappointed that I don't see those two colors for you guys. That was my main reason coming down here, so I can be the first to share it with you guys. Like that new color, the shark skin silver, and that radiant red tint coat. That's what it was, but it's not here. But now we about to go check out the other vendors, because we got like Rotofab here with that setup, and then we got other vendors. I thought Fast Tech supposed to be here, but they dropped out because they was worried about the rain. I think GPI is here, so this is what we have here so far. We about to go check out the drag strips. They doing autocross right now. All right, we got a ZL6 unknown mods, and we got a ZL1 unknown mods. ZL6 stop. Ooh, 11.8. Ooh, 11.9 with the vet. That was a close one.
Oh my
8.9.
His license plate say smoke.
I'm walking around here with Q the Chaotic, man, and you know it got hot. We're talking about how hot it is, cause I took my socks off. You say what? Damn. Someone ran 11.5 down there. He was saying in this weather, in this 3900 DA. And we got Q out here, man. I took my socks off because I got my Crocs on, man, because I needed to breathe. And Q out here talking about he got some type of special shorts I never heard of. Like, well, what kind of shorts you said you got, bro?
Hoochie Daddy shorts.
What is Hoochie Daddy shorts, bro?
Hey, look, you see the ventilation? I got my dad shoes on, the colorful ones. I got the thigh action coming on right here for extra ventilation. I'm as cool as I can be today.
Man, get this dude off the camera, man.
Cool Q.
He ain't got no socks in there.
Stay thirsty, my friends. The lady stays thirsty for the Hoochie Daddy shorts.
Man, this guy's a fool, man. But it is hot out here, man. I got the book bag with nothing but drinks, man. So I'm telling y'all, man, y'all gotta stay hydrated. But yeah, let's get to this Camaro cross, because right there behind me, I got my helmet with me, so we about to get in the car. I'm not about to do it, but I'm about to ride with people who about to do it.
Over here, you can see the timer clock. On the first 53.8.
This is like Saturday, man, but it started raining, so we about to head out, man. Leave early. It's a nice day. We got all these Camaros out here, man. It's a beautiful day today, but it's about to get rained out, so we about to head back home, man. If y'all like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.